Yo, what up? This V from Fade Info, and we back with my man JD. And with the help of my man JD, we're gonna show you how to use this right.
What up? It's your boy Jaden, and I just finished my haircut by V, the amazing barber, and we are gonna do the
Sponge brush.
sponge brush.
We're gonna show you guys how to do this sponge brush right. Alright, now you see JD has a mohawk, crispy, brand new. Take a look. We didn't need to do a full video about this. We have another video on the channel with JD getting a mohawk. First, take the brush out of the box.
Of course.
Alright, that comes first.
Yes.
Hold that. Now what I use is a pomade. I know a lot of barbers use Shea Moisture curl enhancement. This is what we used to use. We don't use that anymore.
Oh my God.
Alright. We use Prospect. Well, this is what I like. I like Prospector's pomade, and I prefer the Cold Mine because it doesn't really give like a shiny look where it looks like he has Jerry curl juice in it. I mean, Jerry, I'm sorry. Where it doesn't look. Alright.
He cursing. Ooh,
I like to use the Cold Mine because it has a matte finish. Alright, let me see if I can get this open. I'm touching that greasy Shea Moisture.
And the link in the description. Tell V to put soap in his mouth.
Here's how it looks.
Ugly. You see that business?
Alright, so here's how the top looks, and it's available here at Fade Info. We are an authorized retail partner of Prospectors. And I just also want to add and mention, Prospectors is not paying me for this. I do prefer this pomade over the rest of the pomades, but this is what I'm using, so just take a little bit, not too much. Rub it in. Get in the hair, nice and good. How does that feel, JD? Like
rough,
that?
man. You man rough with it. You trying to hurt me.
That's it. Rub it in real good, nice. All right, come on, Slinky Neck. Don't do that, man. Come on.
That hurts.
I don't got you sitting on the booster seat anymore. When you take the sponge, you don't have to press it hard down like this. You don't have to spin it crazy. Just a little bit of spinning on top. Lightly spin it. So you just lightly spin it on the hair. All right, come on, dude. Come on. I need a strong neck. Pause. All right, you just twist it like that. Twist the hair. You don't have to do them like this. All right. Now you can use any pomade that you like. If you want the oily look, we have the Gold Rush. If you want like a more mid, not matte finish look, like not too shiny, not too matty like this, you can go with the Iron Ore. But I prefer the Cold Mine. I don't know. I don't like it to look like they just oil sheened up. And that's it. We got curls. Check him out. Now, if you want to spray some oil sheen on, that's optional, or holding spray. I would not recommend the holding spray because this will hold and you should be good to go. And because JD was so gracious enough to bless us with his presence in this video, you get to keep the sponge. It's your sponge. And we have a small case of Cold Mine for you. Alright? There's your box with your Fade Info sticker in it. And
this is part of the merch.
now it is. This guy's intelligent. Alright, so let me spray you down real quick. You ready? Close your eyes. You're gonna love this. Get some smell goods going. Alright. That's it. Free to go.